this crap off.
Let me see.
Hey.
Good grief.
Si, I promise I'm gonna go mid-air on you if you don't get these things off.
Hey, James, look on that belt and see if there's a key for these.
Key. Yes, there's a key.
Oh, man.
Please let there not be a key.
I don't see a set of keys on here.
Please, 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 let there not be a key.
I got the key right here.
Yeah.
For the law.
Jeff's on the same page.
Say, look, just a little old
I'll move it.
Heck no, you ain't doing that.
Oh, yeah, see?
My job now, I think this could work, is to prolong this union as long as possible.
Yeah.
See, I might crank it up just a little bit.
Hold it. Heck no.
Yeah, I changed my mind.
Perhaps till death does them apart.
Told you. I will stick you in your ear hole.
What are brothers for?
Told you.
Starting to leak.
Come on, get out this side. Si,
What?
put your hand down, please. Make it fast.
Well, quit looking.
I ain't looking.
Hey, think about waterfalls. I'm telling you, it works.
In this whole escapade, every time I say it can't get any better than this,
Si, why are you tugging on my hand?
Hey, I got my team other hand.
it gets better than this.
You done?
No, I hadn't even started yet.
I thought you said it was coming out.
Hey, it's hard to feed with somebody watching you.
I'm not watching you, son. Nobody
Hey.
wants to see this. You better not be taking pictures.
No, I'm not taking pictures. I was just... What are you talking about? Who's taking pictures? No, I wasn't taking
James
pictures.
taking pictures.
James taking pictures? I had a call.
That is true. I was not taking any embarrassing pictures.
I can't wait to show you what I just filmed.
Get it flowing.
You don't get hits on YouTube for pictures.
Okay, boys, the dam burst.
It can't get any better than this.
Oh, just about. Oh, yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. No. Okay, encore. Let's start the flow again, boy.
See? It just got better.
Whoa.
Si, quit shaking it so much.
All right, hey, man. Hey, what are you doing?
It's your pee.
Hey. All right, here we go again.
I gotta get some hand sanitizer.
Hey, y'all want to get some tacos?
No, you idiot. I'm sitting around.
I'm hungry. Pass me my tea back there, Jason.
No.
There you go, son.
Oh, thank you.
My son.
Right.
Make this fast as
Hold my
possible.
tea glass.
Hurry up.
Phil, we got a situation here.
Like all good things in life, they gotta come to an end.
I don't know. It's been a pretty fun day.
Si, this day couldn't get any worse.
Nobody's home.
But maybe dreams do come true.
It just got worse.
Good times.
Whoa.
Si,
Okay.
it's the last time. I ain't doing it no more. You can pee all over yourself. I don't care.
You ought to be happy. Just think. Number 2 is coming.
I will chop my arm off while I do that.
I say it could be worse. Everything is relative.
Sometimes simple trips don't go in the direction you hope.